At least 38 people died and hundreds were injured after a fire that sparked a huge chemical explosion and was still blazing on Sunday at a shipping container depot in Bangladesh, officials said. The toll was expected to rise, with some of the more than 300 people injured in a serious condition. The fire started late on Saturday at the huge depot in Sitakunda, storing around 4,000 containers, many of them filled with garments destined for Western retailers, about 40 kilometers from the major southern port of Chittagong. The containers holding chemicals exploded, engulfing firefighters, journalists and others in an inferno, hurtling people and debris through the air, turning the night sky a blazing orange and rattling buildings kilometers away. Firefighters are trying to control these pockets of fires. The fire has spread to at least 7 acres of land inside the depot, he said. Fires are common in Bangladesh due to lax enforcement of safety rules.